In this video, I am going to explain how to make UPI payment without internet. India is leading most countries in the digital payment segment. UPI a unified payments interface has boosted this growth. It is quite easier than paying through cash in many cases. However, it needs an active internet connection to make the payment. Imagine you are out in a remote region without internet and do not have the cash to make a payment. In such a scenario, you can still make the payment with minimum network coverage without any issue. You can use UPI in offline mode using a UST code via your phone. Notably, the 99# service was launched to all mobile users irrespective of the model, and it supports both smartphones and feature phones. Also, the phone number should be linked to your bank account to make UPI payments. For smartphone users, the UPI makes not much sense as they can use the UPI apps such as PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. However, the feature phone users can avail the *99# code to use UPI. Also, this feature is useful for smartphone users facing internet issues. Now, let's see how to make UPI payments without internet. Follow the steps below to make UPI payments on feature phones or smartphones when there is no internet. So the first you need to do is open the dialer on your phone and key in the UST code *99# and click on the call button. Step 2. You will see a list of options. The first option is send money, so type number 1 and click on send. Step 3. Choose the information you have from the recipient, such as mobile number or UPI ID or IFS code or saved beneficiary. Key in the respective number and tap on send. Step 4. Now, enter the information such as mobile number or UPI ID or any other detail you have chosen and tap on send. Step 5. Key in the amount and press send. Step 6. Enter the remark. Step 7. Type the UPI PIN and complete the payment. Congrats, now you successfully completed the transaction process. Notably, if you want, you can also disable the UPI code. To do so, you need to open the dialer and enter the code *99 and hash. Choose option 4, My Profile, from the list, and then number 7, which is to deregister from UPI. Confirm your choice to disable the UST code UPI payment feature. If you feel this video is useful, share it with your friends and families. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos.